Hi vlogs, welcome to my guys. Hi guys, gawa tayo ngayon ng delicious organic juice. Please prepare this: pipino, ginger, then carrots, and apple, then celery. Sakto ba? Celery. So, ayan guys, na-prepare ko na yung mga gulay tsaka fruits. Ready to grinder. Ay, stay blender dai.
Blender.
Ha? Isam dai ni. So, ayan guys, na-prepare ko na. Ready for juicer na. Ito na yung finished product. Ito na yung finished product natin. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. God bless.